In this video, we will see how to add a video in Microsoft PowerPoint using two different methods. So make sure you watch this video till the very end. The first method is using copy-paste. Go to the location where your video is stored. Select it by clicking once, and then click Ctrl+C on your keyboard. Now go to the PowerPoint slide and click Ctrl+V. You can see our video is added. You can resize it. You can play the video by clicking here. Also, if you are in slideshow mode, you can click here to play the video, or simply click on the next arrow key and the video will start playing. Now the second method is using Insert. On the menu bar, you can find Insert on the right side of Home. On the extreme right, you will find Video. Click on it. Click this device and locate your video. Double-click on it and your video will be added. You can resize it and play it just like we saw earlier. If you want to know how to make animated videos easily using AI, then you can check this video right here. If you liked this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos. Thanks for watching.